Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session from our previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about Kentucky bourbon. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Is bourbon a type of American whiskey? Yes. Bourbon is a specific kind of American whiskey with strict rules. Can bourbon be made outside the United States? No. Bourbon must be made in the United States by law. Is bourbon made mostly from wheat? No. It must be made from at least 51% corn. Does all bourbon come from Scotland? No. Most bourbon comes from Kentucky in the United States. Does the limestone in Kentucky help purify water for bourbon? Yes, it removes iron, which affects the taste. Is bourbon aged in used wine barrels? No, it must be aged in new charred oak barrels. Was bourbon still produced during Prohibition? Yes, but only a few distilleries could make it for medicinal purposes. Is Kentucky's climate important for aging bourbon? Yes. The temperature changes help the bourbon absorb wood flavor. Is bourbon named after a town in France? No. It's most likely named after Bourbon County, Kentucky. Is bourbon only a drink with no historical value? No. It's part of American heritage and craftsmanship. Watch this video several times to reinforce what you've learned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you're ready for the next video in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.